Hello everyone, I welcome you all in today's video. And guys, if you have, kind of problem like if you work online and your boss send you some, payment from your of your salary and you didn't, you know, get the payment and you don't know how to do it, how to accept that payment. And this video is for you because I'll be showing you how to accept pending payment from or on PayPal. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do, guys, is we need to go to our PayPal website, and of course, we need to log in our account. And for us to accept the pending payment, guys, we need to go to our activity. So in here, guys, you will see here the pending payment. So let's say this one. So you will see here, you know, accept the payment. So once you click that, guys, accept the payment, guys, you will receive or you will successfully um receive the payment that you get from your boss. So that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on PayPal. Thank you.